Here's a concise study guide for Azure App Service. Azure App Service Study Guide. Overview. Azure App Service is a fully managed platform as a service, PaaS, for building, deploying, and scaling web apps, REST APIs, and mobile backends. It abstracts infrastructure management, allowing developers to focus on code. It supports multiple languages and frameworks, including .NET, Java, Python, PHP, Node.js, and Ruby. Key features: managed hosting, automatic OS patching, load balancing, and high availability. Scaling supports vertical, scale-up, and horizontal, scale-out, scaling. Auto-scaling based on metrics like CPU, memory, or HTTP queue length. Deployment options: Git, GitHub Actions, Azure DevOps, FTP, zip deployment, or container-based deployment using Docker or Azure Container Registry. App service plans define compute resources. Tiers include free, shared, basic, standard, premium, and isolated. Each offers different scaling, storage, and feature sets. Security. Integrated with Azure Active Directory, AD, supports managed identities, SSL/TLS, and authentication/authorization. Monitoring and diagnostics. Integration with Azure Monitor, Application Insights, and Log Analytics for performance metrics, exceptions, and usage analytics. Networking. Supports virtual network integration, private endpoints, and hybrid connectivity for secure communication. DevOps and CI/CD. Supports continuous integration and deployment pipelines with Azure DevOps, GitHub, and other tools. Serverless capabilities. Supports functions via Azure Functions in app service plans or consumption plans. Best practices. 1. Choose the right app service plan for traffic and scaling requirements. 2. Use staging slots for zero downtime deployment. 3. Enable application insights for monitoring performance and troubleshooting. 4. Implement auto-scaling to handle traffic spikes efficiently. 5. Secure apps with SSL, managed identities, and proper access controls.